slides so easy. It doesn't really look like a wardrobe when you see it, because
no, it's very hidden. It's nice. It's very
yeah, it doesn't look an obvious wardrobe. And I got so fed up with them other wardrobes, and you're piling suitcases and clutter on top of them. And I've had the other wardrobes where they've not been deep. You open them up and things fall on the floor. And there's so much space.
So did they meet sort of every criteria and requirement? Okay, so I was just here to ask, what did you ask for specifically? How fast did it happen? Were you pleased with the work? Everything?
I have never seen
Yeah.
two lads work so unbelievable,
Yeah.
so polite. Every word out of the mouth, thank you, blah blah blah. They were 10 out of 100 every time.
I was surprised at the speed, because when I phoned up, I got a phone call to come down, and this big enormous book arrived with the colours. I said, I don't even think I'll be able to make a colour, decide what colour. I said I'm spoilt for choice. I was gobsmacked, never seen so many different colours before. And then the glass ones came out, and I thought, wow, this is unbelievable. Never seen a sliding wardrobe in my life, never. They just look amazing. I just expected them to be a bit wobbly when you slide the doors, but as solid as anything. The lovely gloss on the glass.
So happy with
And
it. So
I'm very happy.
finish.
I mean, I didn't have an idea. I was just said, I want a sliding wardrobe, nothing else. And,
I would recommend you
yeah.
to all my friends who are thinking again. Oh, bedroom.
But it was the company's idea of, like I said, oh, I just want a shelf. That's all, a shelf, and was told about like a floating cabinet, which I wouldn't have even thought of. And I'm really shocked. It's made such a difference to this bedroom. It will help me keep it tidy, organised, which is the main important thing I want, because I'm not an organised person.
You're scrubbing yet.
I'm not an organised person, and I want to start new in a new place. And I can't be organised with clutter in my face all the time. I need storage. Everybody needs storage. Never have too much storage. And these cupboards, I don't even think I've got enough clothes and that to put in it.
So you're happy with the quality of everything?
I'm very surprised. I didn't expect the top shelf. I felt those bars yesterday, which felt as solid as anything. The way it slides, it just like, there's no noise or anything, and there's a bit like a felt or something at the side when you hold it. Smooth. It just slides so easy. It doesn't really look like a wardrobe when you see it,
No, it's
because
very hidden. It's nice.
yeah, it doesn't look an obvious wardrobe. And I got so fed up with them other wardrobes, and piling suitcases and clutter on top of them. And I've had the other wardrobes where they've not been deep. You open them up and things fall on the floor. And just so much space.
So did they meet
space.
sort of every criteria and requirement you were sort of
More than expected, because like I say, I didn't have an idea what to do. I just expected 2 rails with the clothes. I didn't even know about these drawer parts underneath, which is such a bonus as well. I'm stunned, and I'm very, very impressed, and that's why I'm so anxious to get another room done.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I would love to have even my other bedroom done, but the other bedroom's too small.
So overall then, were you happy with the service, the quickness, the quality, sort of everything was met, like requirement and criteria wise?
It was just made so easy for me. I didn't have to trail around on buses and, in the cold and the rain, and going to shops and waiting for days somebody to come out and then having to go back to the shop again. It was all provided here for me. It was like, take your pick, and all these colours, and as and just such loyal people who came on the time. No mess at all, cleaned up afterwards, no worries at all. I can recommend you to anybody who suggested. I would not hesitate to go anywhere else. I just wish you did other things besides wardrobe, because I'm looking for a shed in my garden. I want a shed in my garden and a log house at the side. So I'm on the hunt for someone to do.
Get your fitted furniture installed before the holidays up to 25%. Limited slots, fast filling. Ready before Christmas!